Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it's been a long while, but come on guys, 2022, I am coming back. 2022 is the year we are thriving. It's the year of consistency. Can I hear a loud amen? Yes. So guys, this video basically I'll be sharing with you my highlights in my food journey. I participated in two cooking competition shows in this year. The first one sponsored by Devon Kings, and the high point for me for that one was the fact that I got to use my mother's name as our tag name on the show, which was Laupek. So we were called the Laupek family because it was a family show, and we had to present a family name. So I decided to use my mother's name, my late mother's name, and I'm sure she's up there smiling and happy at how everything went. And I'm glad that even though we didn't win, at least our name is on the lips of people that watched it, and because it was aired across TV stations and YouTube. And Tokpe, thank you for coming on this journey with me. If you're watching, big ups to you. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. It was fun because we were lodged in a 5-star hotel. We had fun. They spoiled us. They just made sure that we were all right, we were good. Even the production set, the crew, the people on set, they were all pleasant. They welcomed us warmly, and I can boldly say it was a fun
growing
set.
up basically was fun. I had strict parents, and I had a mom who was a caterer of blessed memory. She introduced me to cooking at a very early age because she was once a professional chef before she retired and launched her own restaurant. So every holiday was basically you resuming at the restaurant to assist her to work. And I got exposed to food at a very early age. Although, in as much as I was exposed to food, I was lazy doing anything that involves the kitchen.
Taking a selfie before the drill won't be bad. Keep watching, guys, for sneak peek of the first show.
Laupek family, you are not going, you're staying. Congratulations. The family going home is
Elated that we crossed over to the next stage, but what we could have done better was to boil our meat properly and to reduce the pepper, because they complained that pepper was really too much. So in our next task we tried to reduce the pepper.
So guys, this was the final day. We got presented with our gifts because we came third out of 12 families that participated on the show. And guys, it was a pretty emotional one for me, guys. I cried forgetting I was on TV because my eye was on the prize, because grand prize was 1 million and household equipment. Even though we got the household equipment, but like the 1 million naira, we already had plans and everything for it. But in everything they say, give thanks. And truly we were grateful to Devon Kings and Ayatamaku for this great opportunity and platform. And that's it, we move. The Devon Kingdom cooking show, aside the food experience and memories, also presented to me amazing and beautiful people. I met really amazing people like Chef Poland, Chef Marvel, Chef Arex, Alima, and Afola Shade Slay. So this experience is not even one I'll be forgetting in a hurry, and I'm grateful to Devon Kings for the platform and experience. So guys, moving on to the second cooking competition I participated in this year. It was themed bringing back old Nigeria dishes, and it was sponsored by Morning Fresh. And guys, I also had a blast on the set of this competition. So guys, let me leave you to watch a sneak peek of how the show went. We got to take some pictures with the delectable mommy Ire. Like, she was a vibe on this set. She was my fave. And then Chef Beyonce.
So I'm moving on to Bimpe now, the girl from Ogbomosho in Oyo State. You can see that she's dressed the part and you look so beautiful. So tell us, how was your experience from the beginning up until this final selection?
So basically, when I saw the challenge online, anywhere there's food, you're definitely going to find me. And the fact that the challenge was coming from Morning Fresh, because I appreciate Morning Fresh as a brand. So I was like, I need to upload my video, even though my phone was giving me challenges at the time. Like, devil, you're a liar, I will upload this video. And so I did, and I was so elated when I got the message that I've been selected, because any small thing I could have not uploaded the video. So I was excited that I got selected. I'm coming on the show and, you know, having to recreate a meal that I grew up with via my mom, my late mom, and I was like, it's an opportunity to show people that you can't just cook ADALU normally. You can spice it a little bit. I know most people still make ADALU in their house, but like, let there be a twist, let there be some thought in it. And then I decided to add some coconut milk, as my mom would normally cook it. And the fact that they had Chef T on the show, she had to taste my food, I was like, yo.
And you sure did. I'm sure your mommy is smiling down right now and saying, that's my daughter. Go straight to Bingpe. I just don't know. I just have this special likeness for her. Maybe because she's from, you know, she's a Yoruba girl. And I'm also a Yoruba girl. And she cooks something I am very familiar with, even though she added her own twist. But, you know, that was what made yours really special. And girl, you were so neat while cooking. I am a neat freak, and I'm sure you know that. So for every time I'm cooking, or for every time I see people cooking around me, I always like to watch while they are cooking, how you are cleaning, how you are doing stuff and everything. And I saw that passion in you. I saw the way you were cleaning while cooking. And girl, your plating, you learnt well. You learnt well. That plating was so good. You plated beans and corn. Like, normally growing up, we just pour beans and corn inside a plastic plate. Some people even pour gari on top. But you put the beans in the small saucepan. Then you even use skewer for the plantain. Then that fish was so tasty. You really did excellent.
Whew, what a art feeling review. Thank you, Chef T. I'm glad you enjoyed the meal. And guys, I chilled in Chef T's beautiful pantry. Look at this picture now. This is goals. Today, the area of the kitchen, I'm a big fan, guys, and she is so beautiful. And when you see her online, that's exactly how she is offline. She loves smiling. Thank you. So I'm so happy to see you. Truly, so happy. And your space is very beautiful. You did a great one in this studio, and you know we are all looking up to you. Keep inspiring us. So yeah, we'll get here someday. And that brings me to the end of my highlights for 2021, guys. See you in 2022, where we thrive and smash all our goals. Cheers, and see you in my next video.